Well, gentlemen, let's get straight to what we have lined up on the show, and then we'll take the individual stocks one by one. Inox Green Energy makes a subdued debut on Dalal Street. Details of the listing and the key management takeaways, they are lined up. And we learn from sources that a deal is brewing in Adar Poonawala's Poonawala FinCorp. Exclusive details lined up on the show. Interglobe Aviation, that's surging away in trade on the back of a brokerage upgrade. More details on that. And finally, we'll talk all things market. Vaibhav Sanghi of Avendus Capital Alternate Strategies will be joining in.
Okay, then how should you position yourself in the last hour of trade, and are there any trades to take? Mitessh is joining us for exactly that as always. Mitessh, hi, good afternoon. The last 45-60-minute move, will it come, not come? We'll find out. But as of now, what's your sense? Is there a trade to take or wait and watch?
Prashant, I think, I heard you all guys talk about levels, option strikes where the activity is happening as well as retracement areas. Broadly, I think one more thing which one can possibly add here is that most of the volatility indicators are not showing any kind of directional bias, which means that it's likely that the market may not break this range of about 18,150, which was the low which we made yesterday, to about 18,400. So I think next few days still might be contracting, still might be consolidating, and therefore an aggressive trade on the index I think doesn't happen as yet. So we're trading with more of stock-specific bias. I think we had some calls on fertilizer stocks earlier. And then I talked about the HDFC group. HDFC Life is a recommendation right now. That's a stock which is breaking out, so buy with a stop at about 540 for targets of 575 here. And Indigo is something, which early in the day slipped my radar, but I think the breakout is very strong here. The 200 average has been taken out. The price and volume is very, very positive. So this is likely to see more traction. Take a slightly deeper stop loss as the stock has moved up. Around 1857 is what I recommend. And 1965, 1970 is my target area.
All right, Mitessh, hang in there and take your point on the volatility index perfectly, because, this morning the India VIX actually hit a low, which was a 52-week low. In fact, could have